Hey guys, welcome back to another video on Alistair Haunts, where the fear is always here. And today, we will be reviewing for the brand new for 2026 Spirit Halloween 6'6" Crackles Animatronic. Alright everybody, so first we're just going to watch this video, so here we go.
I'm so happy you're here! I'm so excited, I could burst! Surprise! Now it's time for the real show!
Now guys, as I do in every video, I'm about to just read the story about Crackles. And basically there was a poll that I had, and everyone picked Crackles. So this is why I'm doing Crackles right now, and I will do Michael Myers next. But here, let's read his little story. Crackles was a carnival clown with a cracked porcelain mask, and a smile too wide to be real. He was famous for never removing his mask. Children laughed, adults shivered, but no one never saw what lay underneath. His sinister true face sits beneath and whispers cruel jokes and dark commands. One night, someone touched his cheek, and his mask opened up. Hideously, smiling, watching, he just turned and vanished into the dark. The next morning, the person who touched his face was gone. No trace, no sound. Now, Crackle's mask has a new crack. If you ever see his true face, don't look directly at him, because he kills those who make eye contact. Now, that was the story, guys. I actually enjoy that story quite a bit. It really expresses how and why he has cracks on his face, and I love that Spirit does these stories because it really goes in depth about like a little behind the scenes of the character. Now, this includes Crackles, of course, easy to follow up instructions, built-in volume control, a power adapter, 5'9", 5.9 volts, 2A, and of course zombie package support. Now he has 4 lines, which I think are plenty for him, especially because they are mainly similar lines. They just talk about how his face opens up and everything, and I think especially $250 is a great price for him because you're getting a 6'6" clown. His face opens up, which we really don't see in the retail industry overall, in my opinion. And also, he is outdoor rated. I cannot stress this enough with animatronics. If they're not outdoor rated, why bother to get them? The only reason most people get animatronics is to put them out for Halloween. So I think the outdoor rated part is amazing, and he's only $250. Unlike Pumpkin Punisher, who's $350, and he's not even outdoor rated. Yes, guys, that is true. Pumpkin Punisher is not even outdoor rated, which is crazy to me, because you're spending so much money just to get something that you can only really use in the house. But like I said, you could always put a bag over it, but if they're outdoor rated, it kind of helps with the hassle. Now, here are some of his movements. He opens up his face, and I really do like that his 2 faceplates, when it opens up, it is all red, and I'm happy Spirit decided to add that detail, because if it wasn't all red, it would be kind of weird. And I love how it opens up and you see that blood on his collar. Once again, it really expresses his character. It looks like he just shot out blood from his face, and it actually really did open up. Now, this is him next to a 6-foot tall person. There's his box, just like every other Spirit box. Nothing too different. Unlike Michael Myers, his box is super, super cool. And we'll be going into that on the next video, so stay tuned for that. If you want more information about that, you can download his user guide. But mainly, everything is in this video that I'm telling you about Crackles. But that is probably going to be it overall, guys. Now, I already own Crackles, so make sure you go watch that video. He is such an amazing animatronic. I enjoy him so much. I can't wait to put him out for Halloween. I think this guy is going to scare quite a lot of people, and I think this is Spirit's best. So now I'm going to recommend him a 5 out of 5 pumpkins. Now, I know that's a lot, but this guy is just so amazing. You're getting a lot for the price of him, and he looks so realistic. Alright guys, that's going to be it. Enough. If you want to see more, just comment down below. Make sure you're subscribed. Remember, I'm Alistair Haunts, and this is where the fear is always here. Stay Halloween-y.